When you only need a sturdy bag to hold your groceries, a canvas tote will work. Your typical weekend will do just fine if you require a lightweight kit to transport enough clothing and personal items for a few days away with your sweetie. Then some outings call for a duffel with a little more toughness, adaptability, and durability. Even though duffel bags are useful for short journeys like overnight work trips and weekend trips with your lover, many of them are spacious enough for a week or two away. Duffel bags are practical for everyday use at the gym, kids' athletic events, and the like. Thanks to their durable materials, a ton of pockets and pouches, and extra ones like external straps for added storage, multiple carry options, and padded straps for comfort, among other things, these are the best tactical duffel bags to get you from here to there without a torn strap, frayed seam, or sore shoulder. Here are the top 5 tactical duffel bags to help you make the best choice when choosing your duffel bags. Iberal Stock B4 Atlas Duffel. The Iberal Stock B4 Atlas Duffel is a roomy rolling travel bag for quick and dependable equipment transportation. This is a condensed version of the Iberal Stock B3 Hercules Duffel with the same design elements. There are 2 sections in the bag: hard-walled lower compartment with a 10 centimeters height for your items, an upper compartment with soft walls. It can be divided into various sized compartments using modular panels and Velcro for storing garments or equipment. A Velcro side pocket and maul panels around the outside of the bag allow you to attach the required small goods easily. There are 6 roomy exterior pockets, 3 on each side, that are medium in size and include elasticized sleeves for holding small items. The outside of the pockets has Velcro panels and maul straps for attaching extra gear. You can store documents in the top clear zip pocket, which is 28 centimeters by 18 centimeters in size. The Atlas Duffel is the smaller sibling of the well-liked Hercules Duffel and has the same qualities: 6 external zipper pockets, a hard-sided storage section underneath, and a sizable main compartment with padded dividers. You can lock all of the zippers with YKK security. The accompanying rain cover shields your equipment from moisture or dust in the worst weather. You'll be surprised by its spaciousness. Its vastness is unquestionably what makes it so unique. You can be a demanding traveler who needs a lot for his adventures, and this useful bag won't disappoint you. The unique interior layout of the roomy B4 Atlas Duffel is another benefit it can give you. This enables you to organize how you store your equipment so that you can quickly navigate through it. YETI Crossroads Duffel. The YETI Crossroads duffel bag has internal structured foam walls, which keep it from folding in on itself. These walls are supported by a compression-molded base that is incredibly strong and serves as a reliable platform. The bag also offers room to maneuver when loading and unloading your gear. The dual divider panels divide the bag into various areas to aid the organization while also contributing to the stability of the duffel. Even when your bag is completely packed, those dividers remain sturdy, and they can be easily folded away to provide a spacious, unrestricted storage section for bulky goods. You may utilize modular compression straps to keep everything organized regardless of how you arrange things. These straps are detachable and can be worn inside or outside. There are several inner mesh pockets to keep your smaller stuff under control, and the dividers and straps that undoubtedly aid in organizing your equipment. Large books and binders can fit in the largest pocket under the lid, while personal goods, toiletries, and gadgets are best stored in the smaller pockets on either side. Additionally, there are more outside compartments and enough flashing points to connect anything that you can fasten with a rope or carabiner. The tough-skin nylon used to make the YETI Crossroads duffel bag is water, stain, and abrasion resistant. It has been built to endure a lifetime and withstand anything your trips and adventures can throw. The other hardware on this bag has also been created to endure the demands of repeated use. For example, the zippers are strong and locked. The comfy shoulder strap is robust, and the carry handles are completely secure. Rothco Tactical Defender Duffel. There are various compartments in the Rothco Tactical Defender duffel bag, including one that can enlarge to accommodate more items. There is ample space for storing clothing, boots, and other items. This tough tactical bag has 3 carry handles and 2 concealed backpack straps for carrying convenience. The extra-large military duffel bag has a waterproof PVC bottom and lots of room for your gear. You can quickly organize your gear in the main area with 2 zip-up dividers. The expanded gear section, which also has a zippered document pouch, is excellent for keeping your boots and other goods separate from the items in the main area. The pack offers various carrying options with 3 carrying handles, movable and adjustable shoulder straps, and 2 hidden adjustable backpack straps. 2 zippers make it simple to reach the contents of the U-shaped main compartment, which has 2 webbing straps with quick-release buckle closures for securing your goods. The other organization is provided by the 2 mesh zipped pockets in the top cover and the zippered pouches on the duffel bag's sides and front. A front identification pouch and wide rows of mall webbing for mounting attachments are further characteristics of the tactical duffel bag. Helps to protect the inside of your bag with a waterproof PVC padded bottom. It features interior partitions with zippers created to break up the master compartment, which was incredibly helpful. Each compartment might hold a spare shirt, some kit, and your food. It is extremely well organized, has a ton of zippered compartments, and backpack straps that make it quite simple for you to move it comfortably over extended distances without carrying it by hand. Redrock Traveler Duffel. Since 1999, Redrock's outdoor gear, based in Waco, Texas, has provided the market with incredibly high-quality tactical equipment like backpacks, sling packs, and carry bags. The Redrock Outdoor Gear Travel Duffel Bag combines the features of a tactical bug-out bag and a large travel bag. It is made for you if you are someone who is constantly on the go and needs a tactical item that is also cozy and functional. First off, there are several ways to carry this bag. You can use the top carry handle, the detachable over-the-shoulder strap, or, when fully loaded with everything you'll need for 72+ hours, you can wear it as a backpack. Using it as a backpack to support weight is one of the nicest features. 3 options are available to you for how to carry this bag. It has hand carry handles, a shoulder strap, and straps similar to a backpack. 2 folding dividers and 2 quick-release gear straps are included in the travel duffel bag's incredibly spacious main compartment, which may be used to secure heavier goods. This is one of the bigger bags you've seen, and it's ideal for lugging about any bulkier items you might have, like a survival store or bigger equipment. Initially, looking at this bag, the pockets and storage were amazing. 2 soft-lined interior compartments are available for storing your smaller, more priceless valuables. The entire duffel pack is covered in mall webbing to attach gear and pouches. You may configure the bag to carry extremely tiny, compact loads, or you can fill it up with a ton of gear and it will manage it all. Additionally, it is constructed like a tank with large, heavy-duty zippers, thick, durable canvas, strong comfy straps, an excellent maul system, etc. Amazing top loading, gear cinching down, and shoulder carrying as a duffel or backpack capabilities. You are amazed by how the bag's top opens up and how the cinch straps shape the bag for transportation. Redrock Operations Duffel. For first responders, law enforcement, and the military, the Operations Duffel Bag is the perfect carry-all. The 43-liter main compartment is divided by 2 removable touch fastener cushion dividers. The 7 outside utility pockets are perfect for your stuff like ammunition, first aid supplies, or radio equipment. The removable and adjustable padded shoulder strap is supplied. An alternative method of carrying this duffel bag is via the interlocking carry handles. You can have a carry handle with a touch fastener interlocking closing. The front and sides of the backpack are lined with 10 utility pouches. The zippers are sturdy, and you can cram as many things inside as possible. Flat rear panel for easy carrying on the shoulder. It is a shoulder sack ideal for first responders, police enforcement, and the military. Additionally, 2 detachable sections and 7 exterior utility compartments are ideal for housing radio equipment, ammo, and rifle magazines. You must exercise caution when first examining the material kinds of any bug-out bag you may be contemplating, because the denier primarily measures the individual yarn strands and how they are woven together rather than the strength and toughness of the material. You were worried that it wouldn't be as comfortable as other bug-out bags due to its potential weight, but you were pleasantly surprised by the numerous elements that made it fit and feel comfortable. The shoulder strap has thick cushioning underneath it so that it won't dig into your shoulder when you carry it that way. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Check them out. These bags are designed to hold a lot of gear, and they're designed to last, which is why we are delighted to have given you our top 5 best tactical duffel bags for 2023. This information helps you in making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.